I'm Crossbow Motorcycle. Yeah. No, Crossbow Motorcycle. No, Crossbow Motorcycle. That's my name. But you're right, Motocross is a better name. Oh. Too far. Oh yeah, you're right. Alright, well, Motocross is getting shot at. Wait, you're right. Get in the water. Get in the water. Meow and now, my man and man. And me, water. Yep. 15x scope, machine gun, ghillie suit. You know what I'm gonna do? Watch this. Watch this. No, watch this. I'm dropping it on the floor because I'm fucking motocross. I'm dropping them on the bottom of the ocean. I'm motocross. I don't use this disgusting shit that they're using. I'm fine, dude. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. There's my crossbow. I was looking for that. There we go. Ghillie suit and crossbow. That's all I need. Zoom. No, it's over here. I know where it is. I know where it is. Don't you worry about it. Why don't you drive? Stop, motorcycle. Drive. There we go. Why am I still alive? Where's the sick jump? I need a good jump. No, this isn't gonna work. There we go. And right there. Alright. Are you ready, snipers? You got yourself a moving target. Shit! Where am I? Get on the motorcycle, you fool! Oh shit, I ran into a wall. I was just riding around on the motorcycle with a ghillie suit. Oh my god. That was great. That was a lot of fun.